Hello, I'm Carl Bratch from Chaparral Motorsports, here with Bryce in the Dragonfire booth. Now, if you have an aftermarket seatbelt in your car, like these premium Dragonfire harnesses here, you need to do something to your vehicle to get it out of limp mode. And what is that, Bryce?
Gotta have an override clip, a simple $10 item that is required anytime you're putting these harnesses into one of these sport vehicles. A lot of times people forget that they need this because they'll install their nice new harnesses, try and go rip around for the weekend, and the car's in limp mode. It's a built-in safety feature connected to the driver factory seatbelt. We got an easy plug-and-play solution for you. You clip this right in, it closes the loop, and you're good to go with your new aftermarket harnesses.
And there you have it. This is a very simple product that allows you to get your car back up to 100%, back up to full speed after putting a race harness like one of these Dragonfire systems in your car. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle. This is Bryce. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.